This is
It's our new badge.
Be nice.
There's a frog. Well, it's like right there. Sam, shine your red light on the frog. There it is. And here's my dog.
Be nice. It's upside down. Hey, be nice. It's dead. Okay. No, it's not dead. He's just okay. Be nice.
He's scared.
He's just scared. It's okay, little froggy. It's okay. No, be nice. Be nice. Be nice.
He's
dead.
He's dead. He's not moving.
He's still alive.
He's dead. He's scared. That's your froggy friend. Eat him. Eat him.
That's our first song in Died to Death. No.
Dog's dead, dude.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Oh, it's peeing. It peed.
Making it bleed.
It peed. It peed.
Did he eat it?
No. Eat it. Eat it.
What if Sonny changed him to a princess? Well, I'm sure it'd be moving. Then we got a song.
No. No. What is that?
Be nice.
It's going the opposite way.
Hey.
This is my dog, Sonny.
Toenail.
And this is his frog.
Froggy. Poor froggy.
You should post that on YouTube.
All right,
That's what I'm going to do.
No.
We're all.
No.
Okay.
man, come on.
Be nice.
Sonny, let's go.
Be nice to Froggy.
Sonny,
Okay.
you got
No,
it.
we gotta go in.
Bye.
Bye.
There's the